detach this thumb of mine. I can remove it.
I can do that.
Everybody knows it. Why do you know it? So you must have seen this trick. This is what's up. And it goes separate. So you all know about this trick. That's why it is not very fascinating. But when I show kids about this trick, they are like, "Oh, how did you do it? Oh my god!" Other removed. I mean, sorry, she removed her, like, thumb. Yeah. Yes. I can detach my thumb.
I forgot how to do it.
Very simple.
I know, ma'am.
This thumb like that, and this thumb you fold it along with this finger, and then you place this thumb over here. So if you see from front, it looks like this, and then you detach it. Okay. Second trick is with the rubber band. I can make the rubber band go from these two fingers to these two fingers. Okay. So you all knew about this trick?
Ma'am, you put another rubber band.
No, no, one rubber band only.
Ma'am,
Only
you
one
drag
rubber
it
band.
slightly, ma'am. You drag it slightly.
No, I did not drag anything. I put
Ma'am,
this
can
rubber
you
band.
teach us? Ma'am, can you teach us?
Yeah, I'll teach you. So I have two rubber bands in my finger, and when I put my arm into a fist, I can shift this rubber band from these two fingers to these two fingers. Okay?
Ma'am, that was amazing, ma'am. How did you do it?
I'll teach you. I'll teach you. So this is the rubber band, okay, in my finger. When I put my when I put my hand into a fist, I pull the rubber band and I put it on all my four fingers. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks.
And then you take the two fingers up.
And when I open, it automatically shifts to these two fingers. You want to try it? Do you have a rubber band around you? Go quickly grab one. Hi Rushta, Humaira, Ibrahim. How are you all? Yes, yes.
Great,
Good one.
yes.
Great, I guess. Okay. So in these two fingers, then you pull it from here. You close your fist. You put it in the fist. You put the rubber band on all the four fingers. Okay. So from here, you're pulling it and putting the rubber band on all the fours. And then when you open it, it goes into the next one. Did it? Yes, Abdullah. Very good.
Can you show how did you put in all four fingers?
Yeah. So I pull the rubber band. Okay. All my fingers should come over here in between this. Like that. No, see, Munib, very easy. I pull the rubber band from here. Yeah. This is the rubber band. I pull it from here. And I put all my four fingers in it. Make sure it is on, it is, yeah. Yes. That's right.
Got it.
And then when you open it, it shifts to the other two fingers. Okay, that's great. How about you show me your tricks? Ibrahim, where's Yahya? I cannot see Yahya.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Okay, that's one trick you learned from me. Come on. Yeah, that I know. Yes, yes. Also, you can make a star out of the rubber band. Not only star, I can make.
Ma'am, he came, ma'am.
Hi, Yahya. I can make a star. I
Ma'am,
can
he
make
is
a
not
V.
connected to audio. He cannot hear us.
I can make a Y
Ma'am,
and L. How do you make X?
why?
Ma'am, I can make something very funny.
You have to leave thumb, ma'am. You have to leave thumb.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I can
go
make
ahead.
a fidget spinner. Ma'am, I can make a fidget spinner.
How?
Remember, it is very simple. Starting the step.
Oh, okay, that fidget spinner. Okay, okay, yes.
Ma'am, see, now you leave your thumb and it becomes X.
X, right. Okay, what are the tricks that you have only you can do and nobody else knows about? It could be anything. It could be bending of fingers for all you know.
Ma'am,
You know?
Yahya knows a trick like he can touch his tongue on the tip of his nose.
Wow, that's amazing. Not everybody can do that. Yeah,
And
can
you
you
know
show us?
Muhammad ji can like do it full.
Okay, Ibrahim is telling everybody's trick. Why is it that Ibrahim knows everybody's trick? Come on, go ahead.
I don't know any, but I know of others.
Okay, right. Yes,
Ma'am,
Amina.
I have one trick, but it's very weird.
No problem. Doesn't matter. Show us.
Like I can remove a bone out of like it just looks like my bone is coming out of my thumb.
Show me. I would love to see that.
Um,
How do you see that? Oh my
Yeah,
I can also do.
oh my god, there is so much fat on my hand that you cannot see my bones.
Ma'am, that is very
Okay.
weird. I also, in reality, when we see now, like,
Yeah.
how
You know
do
what
you
I
do
can
it,
do?
ma'am?
I can bend this finger of mine like that, without like doing anything.
Mom, I can also do it.
No, without touching and bending it actually.
Mom, you can do like this.
I can do all fingers that, ma'am.
You can do with all. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, I can do only with one finger, huh? Not all fingers.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can do
Show me
like
your
this.
trick. Show me your trick where you touch your tip of your nose with the tongue. Yeah, it's just woken up. He's like, first let me feel the good morning. Oh. Turn sideways, yeah, so that I can see.
मोबाइल को बाजू में रख.
Look at one of your sides and then do it. Okay, Mohammadi, show us some trick. Come on, Rujda, Ibrahim, Munib, Abdullah. Or you can, yes? There must be something that you do and others cannot do. Come on. There must be something. Think about it. Humaira, how about you? Yes.
I'm kind of
Yes, Mohammadi's finger becomes 90-degree angle. Perfect. Look at that. If I do,
I always play with my hands.
ow, my fingers hurt. Oh my god. I can't. I don't have fingers. Short fingers. Okay, Munib, how about you?
I also don't know.
Think about it. Okay, so by the end of
I
the
have
class,
this one trick.
yeah.
Ma'am, I think everybody knows this.
What is that? Ah, no. Show us.
I know that, ma'am. I have also done it.
I know
it's
that.
very easy, see, ma'am.
I
It is
know.
like this. It is like this. बहुत आसान है.
Like that? Yes.
Yes,
That's a trick. Good one. Okay. So in today's class, we are going to read autobiography by Roald Dahl, of course. In the previous class, we did biographies. In today's class, we are going to read the autobiography. Before I start with the actual class, there is two important things that I want to tell you. Number one, there is a essay competition coming up. Okay, it's for everybody. You have to participate. All right, it is going to be online, and you have to write an essay. Sorry.
What, ma'am? Can you repeat, ma'am?
Yes, and repeat myself. There's an essay competition that is coming up. Okay, for all the batches, right from the Curie to the Tagore's, and we have selected the topics. There are certain topics that are selected. You have to write an essay on the given topic during the class. Okay, and there will be two people who will judge you. We'll decide on who the judges are. I can't really
Ma'am,
tell you
last class
that.
we had not completed other bio.
Yes. And the second thing, I was coming to that, Amina, thank you. The second thing is you have to complete the biography on your friends that you were writing, and you have to upload it in Google Classroom. Humaira has submitted her work. Okay. So Humaira, I have reviewed your work, and the changes that are to be made in your work, I'll let you know, or I'll message you privately. Yeah. You can't lose it. You'll have to redo it again. Okay. Yeah. Ibrahim, what are you rubbing and scrubbing?
I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. Now we are going to read an autobiography written by Roald Dahl. Okay, and he the reason I made you do the tricks is because in the autobiography he is amazed by a trick done by a senior classmate of his. Okay, so let's see. Let us read and find out. Those who have the textbook can open to page number 26, and those who do not have the textbook, please, children, the previous Mandalas are not going to come and give you the textbook. You will have to go and get it from them. Okay, so you have the numbers on the nest. Try to contact them and get your textbooks as soon as possible.
Ma'am, I have
Okay,
already read that one.
you already read it. Very good, Muni. Always
Ma'am,
ahead
वो
of the
क्या है ना
class.
the boy rides without any hands.
Keep quiet, Muni. If you are spoiling all the fun.
Ma'am, I know how to do that.
You do. Imagine Roald Dahl who did not know. Okay, so let's read it.
Ma'am, you will read or let us read?
You want to read? Tell me whatever it is.
No, I want to read.
Okay, let's go ahead, Muni. You read.
I can remember very little of 2 years I spent in Cathedral School between the ages of 7 and 9. Only 2 months remain clearly in my mind. The first lasted not more than 5 seconds, but I will never forget it. It was my first term, and I was walking home alone the cross village. Green, across the village green after school when suddenly one of the senior 12-year-old boys came riding full speed down the road on his bicycle about 20 yards away from me and the road was on a hill and the boy was going down the slope. And as he flashed by, he started backpedaling very quickly so that the freewheeling mechanism of his bike made a loud whirring sound. At the same time, he took his hand off the handlebars and folded them casually across his chest. I stopped dead and stared after him. How wonderful he was! How swift and brave and graceful in his long trousers with bicycle clips around him, on his scarlet school cap at a jaunty angle on his head. One day I told myself, one glorious day I will have a bike like that and I will wear long trousers with bicycle clips and my school cap will sit jaunty on my head and I will go whizzing down the hill pedaling backwards with no hands on the handlebars.
I didn't hear a thing.
Mom, you are muted.
Her internet's gone, I think.
That is why it's showing Alfia Sony has started screen sharing and loading.
Okay. The thing is, I need to learn how to, like, I need to learn all the keypad controls as well.
Still need to learn
Okay.
them.
Yes, Abdullah has a trick to share with us towards the end of the class. Abdullah, excellent. Thank you, Moni, for reading this amazing autobiography for us. So, what is it? Who has written this autobiography?
Roald Dahl himself.
Roald Dahl himself has written. And what is he sharing? Where is he? What is the place?
Ma'am, he is in Land of Cathedral School.
Okay, he is in Land of Cathedral School. All right. And during his stay, so up till what, from what age to what age was he in this school? Somebody else.
7 to
What
9.
is it?
7 to 9. 7
Okay,
to
7
9.
to 9. Excellent. And in his 2 years of stay at this cathedral school, uh, What is the important moment that he remembers very clearly?
Ma'am, the
How
boy
long?
is reading.
Munib. How long is the moment?
More
5 seconds.
5 seconds. 5
5
seconds.
seconds, not more than 5 seconds, right? But he remembers it very clearly. Now, where in short or in your own words, tell me, describe this moment quickly. Who's gonna answer?
Can
Anybody?
ma'am, can I answer?
Apart from Munib, Ibrahim, and Yahya. Apart
Ma'am,
from these
can I?
three, Munib,
Okay.
Ibrahim, and Yahya do not answer this question. In your own words, in very short, yes, Amina, go ahead. Tell us this moment. Describe the moment in your words.
There were two boys who were coming on the bicycle with full speed, and he was very shocked at that moment looking at them, and he was wondering if I can also do the same thing.
Okay. Were there two boys?
Ma'am, there was only one boy. He
There
was
was
12 years
one
old.
boy. How old was the boy who was
12
riding
years
the
old.
bicycle?
12.
He was a
12.
12-year-old boy. Okay. And was he junior or senior to Roldar?
Senior.
He was a senior to Roldar. Okay. What was the boy doing?
Mm,
Ma'am, he was riding a cycle.
Ma'am,
Ibrahim
Which
and Munib, I'll mute you all. I'll put you all in the waiting room if you speak out of turn. Come on. Rushda, Humaira, Muhammad, Abdullah. What was the boy doing? What was this 12-year-old boy doing? Muhammad Mamadi, answer.
and he was performing tricks on his BMX bike.
Very good. He was performing tricks on his bike. What was the trick, Abdullah?
ma'am, he was going down the
What
hill
was the
without
trick that
holding
he was
the
performing?
handlebar.
Ma'am, he was riding the cycle without
Ma'am,
his
without holding
hands.
the handlebar, he was
Very
going
good.
down
He
the.
was riding a cycle without holding the handlebars. Okay. And what else? There's one more thing that he was doing. Instead of riding forward, he kept on
Riding backward,
he
that
kept on back
beating sound
pedaling.
was
Yes, he kept on
present.
back pedaling to remove that whirring sound. Okay. Now, Humera, you tell me, what was Roald Dahl's reaction when he saw this 12-year-old boy performing a trick on the bicycle? What was his reaction?
He
Or
was
what?
very shocked. He wanted to do the same thing. He
Very good.
also thought that I'll also get a bicycle and do this thing one day.
Yes, excellent. And can you tell me the words, Rishda? Tell me the words in which Roald Dahl describes this experience, the adverbs he's used for describing the boy, or how,
Ma'am, what are adverbs? I forgot.
oh, sorry, the adjectives. Adverbs are words that enhance or say more about the verb. Okay. Rishda, tell me the adjectives that he's used, Roald Dahl has used.
I
To
didn't
dis-
hear what Moni was saying. It was kind of unclear.
okay, Muni was unclear, but Rishda, you have a textbook with you, I assume. Yeah. Even if Munib
Ma'am,
was unclear, we were
brave and
supposed to,
graceful.
yeah,
Brave and graceful.
brave and graceful. Very good. Yes, he called the boy brave. That moment very graceful.
Ma'am, he
Yes,
called wonderful and swift also.
wonderful and swift. Excellent. These are the words I'm looking for. He said, I will one day, one glorious day, right? He promised himself that the day I do this is going to be a glorious day for me. Okay. So Roald Dahl, being a young boy, was extremely fascinated by this very simple trick, which he would have learned eventually in his life. But you see, that first experiencing of watching something new or watching somebody doing some trick that you do not know of is a very happy moment. It's a very jaunty moment. Okay. By the word jaunty, what we mean is cheerful. Okay, he was extremely happy that day, and he was so happy that he promised himself that one day even I'm going to do that. Have you had such experiences in your life, like you've looked at somebody doing something amazing and you promised yourself, okay, I need to do that. I need to learn that.
Ma'am, same story.
Yes, Muhammad Mohammadi.
Winning a battle royale in winning a battle royale in every game.
Okay, winning the battle royale in every game. So, who did you want to learn it from? Like, who did you see doing it?
Ma'am, Henrik.
No, man, could be that not that guy. Ma'am,
Then,
my cousin brother, ma'am, he used to play PUBG and Call of Duty and Garena and Fortnite, and he also always took up second.
no wonder. So, Muhammad Mohammadi was inspired by his cousin, and he thought,
Ma'am,
I need to do that. Yes, Ibrahim.
ma'am,
Yes, Mera.
many people in my garden used to play badminton. So I just saw them and I was getting interested in that. So I used to see them. Then one day my friend told me to do the badminton play with me. So I got interested in that.
Wow, that's how your interest of playing badminton. You play good, you know. I on camp I played with her, and she plays pretty well, I can say. So
Thank you,
that's
ma'am.
nice. That's nice. How
Ma'am,
about
I got
others?
inspired by my sister. Ma'am, my sister had a project when I was also small. I was maybe in senior KG.
Hmm.
So she had a project, and then she had to paint, and then I helped her, and then I saw that it's very enjoying. Arts is very fun. So, ma'am, I got inspired, and then I'm now good. I'm so good. I'm better than my sister
Yes.
also in arts.
Oh my God. Why don't we leave that for others to say, right? Whether you're better than your sister. But that's good. That kind of confidence is required. It's needed. Um, Same
Ma'am,
goes for me, you know. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Please go ahead.
and I got I am good at goalkeeping by playing down. Ma'am, my friends call me down to play, and they know that because I am small, na, so they tell to go to goalkeeping, and whenever they shot a goal, I save it. So after that, they all every time they all make me
Ask you
goalkeeper.
to become the goalkeeper. Okay, but my question was, yeah, yeah, that who did you actually see doing goalkeeping and you got interested in that? You said like, no, I have to become a goalkeeper like this person.
Ma'am, before quarantine, I was very lazy and I used to not do anything. But then I saw this video with a girl and she wakes up every day very early. So I got inspired and now I'm waking up early every day.
Wow, are you now? That is brilliant, Amina. Who is this girl?
I don't
Uh,
remember. It was the first day of quarantine. I saw something like that.
Online. Okay.
Ma'am,
How
I
about
saw
you,
that.
Anas? Yeah. Yes, yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, I saw that Spain goalkeeper because he do the best goalkeeping, and I was inspired by him.
That's nice. That's nice. Anas, how about you? Abdullah, Anas, come on. You all haven't spoken.
I saw
Yes.
Ertugrul and I was inspired. I want to be a warrior.
Abdullah wants to be a warrior. Oh, you can be a swordsman, Abdullah. They actually train people, you know, for swordsmanship. That's nice. Yes, Puneet, go ahead.
Ma'am, one time I was just watching football in my laptop. So I just saw these two midfielders named N'Golo Kante and Jordan Henderson, and then I was inspired by them to be a midfielder. And now
That
I
is
am good at
amazing.
midfielding.
That's amazing. Anas, how about you?
Ma'am, I don't have any.
Anas, come on. There needs to be something. I mean, even if you haven't learned that thing, doesn't matter. My question. Let me reframe my question, or let me repeat myself. I said that is there a moment in your life where you've seen somebody do something very amazing, like super cool, you know, and you are like, ha, yaar, even I should learn how to do that. Or you
Ma'am,
were, yes, Ruza.
my brother memorized the whole Quran, so I was small and I wanted to do the same.
Mashallah, mashallah. See, right there. That's good. That's good.
Ma'am,
Anas,
I
think
have
of
one
one.
more if you give me the chance.
Okay. By the time I'm giving you a chance, Ibrahim, because I'm giving Anas time to think. Okay. Go ahead.
I knew, ma'am, you won't give me.
Can
So,
I tell?
ma'am, I have a cousin named Juveria. She's in our school only, and she's in right group, and she's very nice and flexible. So one time, ma'am, in Hamleys in Grand Central, I was also 8 or 9 years. So we have a roller skate, like it's of twos, and we need to put the full force on the back so that the wheels drag and take us ahead. So it was a very nice
Ma'am, it's an
skate.
hoverboard.
So
Hoverboard.
yeah, yeah.
Hoverboard.
So I was very inspired. One day she came to our house and then she brought those. She was telling, you also learn from me, ma'am. So I did not had. Then I also bought it, and then she taught me, and I got
Got
inspired
it.
by it.
Potted.
Got it. Thank you, Abdullah. See, you should tell your mother
No, I
this.
also have
She'll be
one.
proud.
Bought it.
Yeah.
I
Sorry,
also
bought
have,
it.
Tell Anas.
I also have one.
Sorry?
Ma'am, one time we were playing with the cycle. We were riding cycle in a society.
You were riding cycle in your society. Yes. Anas, I can't hear you, Anas.
My
Anas, how about you put
one
it in your
bhaiya is
chat? Anas, your voice is
one bhaiya is
breaking. Anas, your voice is breaking. How about you put it in the chat?
he takes the cycle from
Can he hear me? Okay, there he is.
Now we can hear you.
Okay. Now, you know what? I was always fascinated how the basketball players rotate the ball on the finger. You know, that is one thing that I'm very fascinated with.
Me
So
too.
yeah, I don't know if I can do it efficiently, but I can definitely rotate a book on my finger. Like, so I used to learn a lot. Now it's out of practice, so you'll not be able to see. But I used to do it for a long period of time. And also, second thing that I was fascinated with was balancing. Okay, so if you see, I like playing badminton. That's who.
Push Kordik. I
Who's
know of
Gordik?
Turkish. They mean thank you, ma'am.
Hey, everyone knows Turkish, okay? If you are Jayatupur, you will know Turkish. Ah.
That's right.
So
That's
when did
right.
I say
Okay.
that you don't
All right.
know? I just said
Now
that
what
I
you
know.
have to okay. Can we come back? Everybody. Now what you have to do is you will have to tell me 6 differences between the biography and the autobiography that is written by Roald Dahl. Okay. On your screen, you can annotate and you can type in. You have to tell me 6 differences between biography and autobiography. Go ahead. Ibrahim, don't doodle, type. Annotation text. Select text in your annotation.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. First
Ma'am,
one,
I am in mobile.
you're on mobile. Okay, then maybe you can tell your friend. You can put it in
Ma'am,
chat
can
and
we
I'll
type
read it
on
out.
chat, ma'am?
Yeah, you can put it on chat your responses, and maybe those who are typing it on the screen can put it for you. Okay. The first difference is given in your textbook on page number 27. Yes, Bacha.
Ma'am, in phone also the option has come for annotation, for text annotation.
In phone it has come. Zoom has updated.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Try it. He's saying it has come. Okay. The first
If
difference
you
is already
updated the
given.
app, it will come, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Exactly. Autobiography is written in first person. Biography is written in third person. Okay. So autobiography uses the pronoun I, whereas biographies says he, she, it, they, or whatever. Okay. So that's the first third person pronoun. So that's the first difference. I have a response on my screen. Let me read it. Somebody else is written biography of him. Yes.
You
That's
said that only. I wrote.
right. Yeah, Muni. Okay. And autobiography is written by. So, in retaliation to this point, what is the point
Ma'am,
of
how do you
difference?
reduce the size of the text?
Ma'am,
Okay, but you go in annotation, you know the color? Yes. In format, there is bold, italics, and the number is written. So you can select any number from 12 to 72. Amina.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
In the annotation bar, there is format. In
I got
format,
it, ma'am, I got
the
it.
last. Yeah.
ma'am,
Yes, but
ma'am, in autobiography, it is auto means it is auto and
oneself. Yes.
biography.
Yeah. Autobiography uses third person pronoun. Autobiography uses third person pronoun or biography uses third person pronoun? Ibrahim.
Ma'am, autobiography.
Autobiography. What are third person pronouns, Ibrahim?
He, she, it, they.
So did this autobiography
Ma'am,
have he, she, it, they?
ma'am,
Yes, yeah, yeah.
ma'am,
Ibrahim,
I
take an
wanted to
answer.
say that,
Huh. Tell me.
ma'am, that Amina wrote that in autobiography, it is detailed information.
Okay. In autobiography, it is written by oneself. Very good. All right. Second response has come general information and detailed information. Okay.
I've
This
given them.
is amazing. General information and detailed information. This point. This is by Amina Aga. Excellent, Amina. Okay. Biography uses third person pronoun. Yes. So we'll place it in biography. It's by Ibrahim and Abdullah has written the response. Thank you, Abdullah. Okay. Life of Roald Dahl. What about it? Okay. Abdullah has written autobiography is written by oneself. Yes. We have another response based on emotions and thoughts. Brilliant point, Humera. And biographies are based on facts collected by author. That is amazing. Okay, there is another. Only one incident is mentioned in detail. That's a very good observation. I have some brilliant responses on my screen right now. Good, good, good. I would appreciate if somebody puts Humera's response on the screen. Come on, she has given one difference for both, like
Ma'am,
biography and
should I put
autobiography.
it?
And yeah, go ahead, please. Help your friend out there. Okay, that's the point. Biography, life of Roald Dahl is mentioned. Okay, so general information about his life is given. Very good. Only one incident is there. How about the dates? Do we have dates and years over here?
No,
Yeah?
ma'am.
Come on, go ahead, write that point. Somebody mentioned that point. Based on facts collected by authors. Okay. One person. One person was supposed to do that. Yeah. Or autobiography is based on emotions and thoughts. Excellent. Okay. Based on facts collected by authors. Authors. OR. Yeah. Yes, biography describes the whole journey of life. Okay, like almost your timeline. Okay, it's a descriptive form of your timeline. The point by Ibrahim, very good. Okay, and how about the autobiography? It is talking about only one incident. That point we have it over there. Nobody's writing about the years and the dates. Biographies have mention of dates and years, whereas autobiographies
It
do
also
not.
has. Ma'am,
Autobiographies,
Months,
Are
months,
written by
months,
himself.
years, and dates.
yeah, exact dates are not written. Okay, in the autobiography. The whole life journey.
There is
Okay.
no space to write. Only in
No, I am
autobiography.
not.
All right, no problem. I think this is good work. I like this work. Okay, so does not have exact date. Very good. Yes, good points written. Okay, now what I want you all to do is, yeah, who is this? Anas. Havacha. What is it that you are trying to write, Anas?
Ma'am, my app doesn't have the text name. I have written the full sentence. It is showing the person number.
No problem. ठीक है, चलो. I think we are almost done with this. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is, you tell me, what do you prefer? Do you prefer a biography or an autobiography? Person stories written by
Biography.
Ma'am, biography.
biographies. Okay.
Both,
Why?
ma'am.
How many for biographies? How many for biographies? Give me a thumbs up. And how many for
Ma'am,
autobiographies?
in
Clap.
biographies also, ma'am, biographies, even like those novels come, right?
No. Biographies, yeah, there are books written on it, but it's not that. Yeah, non-fiction books are written on that biography. Biography, how many for biography? Let me see. Okay, Abdullah,
Ma'am, both.
Yahya, Anas. Okay, why biographies? Give
Ma'am,
me your
you get
point.
to know. Ma'am, you get knowledge about the person.
Get to know that person better. Okay, good point. Yes, Abdullah. Why do you prefer biographies over autobiographies?
Ma'am, because autobiography, we need to remember all things, but I don't remember all the things of mine.
In autobiography, you have to remember all things. I think you're confused. Yeah. Biographies is like a description. It's like a detailed. It's like a description on the person's general information about the person. Autobiography is the one incident that happened in somebody's life. Okay. Amina, which one do you prefer?
Ma'am, I
Autobiography.
prefer biography because we don't have if somebody is writing our story, so we don't have to write anyway. The someone is right, and if we in biography, if we have to write of somebody else, we have to put the description, so we can search on Google and then we can copy paste it.
Okay, Abdullah likes biographies because he thinks writing biographies is an easy work. But is it really?
No,
He
ma'am,
has
you
an
have to do a lot of
opinion about
research.
biographies. How many of y'all agree with his opinion? Come on.
We need to collect so many facts and information, and
Do a
that should
lot
be
of research,
proved.
ma'am.
There is a lot
Important
of research you
research.
have to collect. You have to recheck it. After you finish writing biography, you have to send it to the
Produce
person.
it, to
You have
write
to
it.
you have to send it back to the person on whom you've written for
Yes.
he or she to check and let you know, right? So yeah, it's a lot of work for writing biography as well. Okay. How many for
But I like art.
autobiographies?
Me, ma'am.
Yeah, Ibrahim. Why?
Ma'am, it's easy because we'll write on ourselves only. We can write anything on any topic we choose. We just don't need to prove it. Like we can
Ma'am,
write on
Okay. Yes,
any
Puni.
incident or anything which we like.
All right, that's
ma'am,
amazing.
ma'am,
Yeah,
I
go
like
ahead.
autobiography because, ma'am, because most of the autobiographies are like they have the stories that are very exciting and very interesting. Like one of we read just now.
That's nice, Monib. I like that point. Very good. Yes. Anybody else for autobiography? Mohammed Mahmoudi, which one do you like? Biography or autobiography?
Autobiography.
Why? Okay, Rushda says they are not
That's what I was
boring,
gonna say, ma'am.
unlike biographies. Okay, that's nice.
Biographies are not boring.
Ma'am, in biographies, they only have one goal, like to describe their whole life and their whole journey.
To talk about the person a little more.
Yeah,
Okay.
I
when
mean,
was he born?
autobiographies
When
are
was he
different
died?
stories that are there,
Yeah.
and in detail they give all the stories.
That's nice. That's nice.
Like,
Okay. How many
yeah.
of y'all remember your first day of school?
Of golden
So
span.
even I remember. No. Right when I started schooling.
I do
You
remember.
mean when we
And
were
I was crying so much.
Yeah, when we were kids and when we
It
first
was
went
the
to
worst
school.
day ever.
Why, Amina? Even I remember, like,
I don't
I
know.
have
First, I
this.
came to school late in the first place, and then I
Ma'am,
came
I
like
got
1 hour
to
late
know.
completely.
Ma'am, I got to know by my
1 hour.
parents. Ma'am, I got to know the story by my teachers.
Ma'am,
From
I
your
was scared.
teachers.
I was
Okay.
crying.
Yes.
You were scared. You were same. I did the same thing. So
Ma'am,
at
I just
first day of
went.
school, my father took
And the
me
ma'am
and
shoes were so dhilla to me. I was so skinny that time also.
right. If I can only imagine. So my father had taken me to school on the first day, and
Me
I was
too.
pretty chill. Okay, I was pretty chill. I was like, yes, I'm gonna go to school. Me and my friends. I knew one of my friends was already gonna come to my school, like from my pre-primary schooling. So I went and I was like, haha, I'm gonna meet my friend and stuff like that. I was quite okay. I entered the class, the teacher greeted me, and I was sitting waiting for all the others to come in, and I started seeing all the children, like majority of the kids in my class, were hanging on to their parents and they were crying. Okay. And my father left me and he was still standing outside my class. And I was inside. I was sitting inside. And all the children were like, hanging. Somebody was not leaving the mother's hand, mother's dupatta, and somebody held on to the father's pant, like, no, I will not leave. And the father is dragging his feet and all full comedy going on. Right now, we laugh on it, but as a kid, I kept on seeing, and everybody was crying. Like, all my kids, they did not want to come to school. And I've always wondered why would they not want to come to school. And I looked at him, and then, of course, I was a kid, so I was like, dude, I need to cry.
Ma'am, nursery.
Everybody's crying. I have to cry. This is not
Ma'am,
normal.
you were
Me
in
sitting
nursery.
happily. Yes, I was in nursing. Me sitting happily in the class waiting for my friend to come in is not normal. I have to cry. So I got up. I went to my father and I started crying. Okay. And then he was like, why? What happened? You were just sitting over there, nice, laughing. And I was like, no. I want to go back home. I want to go back home. And I started imitating just the way all the other children were doing. And I held on to his pocket on his shirt, and I was just not leaving his pocket. And my father was bending. I was like, no, please go inside. Oh God, that was a hilarious incident. I still, yes, moment.
My first school I went, ma'am. You know what happened, ma'am? I
What
kicked a
happened?
boy. I kicked a
You
boy.
kicked a boy.
Yes.
What, you wanted to be ninja from the very start?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, first day only they started Alif Ba.
Ma'am, he was sitting next to me and crying. मैं बहुत bro. अरे इतना गुस्सा रहा था ma'am. And then the teacher
You were getting angry. Yeah, इतना गुस्सा रहा था नहीं. हाँ, then
and then the boy cried more and the teacher changed my place. And there we sat next to a girl.
oh.
And next day I got a
Ma'am,
ma'am. And
Thank
next
God,
day I
Bobby
got
Comedy, I was not your classmate. Otherwise, I would have been kicked.
ma'am,
Truly.
there was a
Just
teacher,
because the boy
ma'am.
was crying, you kicked. Yes,
In
yes,
our
right.
class, everyone was crying, ma'am. So, ma'am, for settling down, like for chub बैठने के लिए, so like she
Yeah, for the
thought that
children
she
to
could
keep
bring.
quiet.
Yeah, for the children
Yeah.
to keep quiet. So she bought a toy of a lion. So everyone like. Then she owned a toy. She owned a toy, and then it was a lion. And everyone
Everybody
started
started
crying
crying.
again.
Poor teacher, she thought she did something good, and
Somehow
then the
at the
lion
last,
I
finally
remember
ruined
that.
everything.
crying, ma'am.
You both went to the same school?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes,
On the
ma'am.
first day only.
Oh my God, okay.
I remember
Okay.
that incident that happened, ma'am.
Ma'am,
From
this
nursery
happened in
only,
Red
ma'am.
Camel, ma'am. Ma'am, this happened when I
From
was
nursery.
Red Camel. Okay, you
Munib
had your
Bhai
first
was
day.
on the second floor. We were on the ground floor.
Ma'am, I remember that
That
I
is
was very shy when I
ma'am,
was small.
ma'am, one time my friends also like there was this lion ka roar, no? So some of my friends like, oh, lion aage, bhago, like.
Okay, all right.
And
So
then I was
now,
like, what
very
lion
quickly,
aage?
yes, very quickly, I want y'all to find two adverbs in this passage. Come on, tell me. But you have to tell me the location of the adverbs, all right? Where is it?
And
Which
which
line?
passage?
Can you repeat what you said? My earphones fell off.
Oh. I'll repeat. Give me two adverbs.
Ma'am, which
So
passage?
you have to find and write. I'll show you. Yeah. This autobiography that we read. So you have to find and write two adverbs in the extract which tell you that the boy was riding his bike. Come on. The back. Here, I think it's, yeah. Give me two adverbs which tell you that the boy was riding his bike.
Ma'am, can
Adverbs.
you explain what was verb again?
Yeah. So verbs are action words, okay? Like for example, riding, okay? And adverbs are words that are used to describe more about the verb. Like for example, if I say the boy was riding the bike
casually.
fast.
Riding full.
Casually.
Ma'am,
Sorry?
was walking.
Casually.
Was walking.
Listen to me. Understand what are adverbs first, okay? Adverbs are words. Adverbs are words that describe the verb. You know what are verbs, everybody? Yeah?
Action words.
Perfect. Okay. Now, action. Give me a verb.
Walking.
Jumping.
Riding.
Jumping.
Riding.
Okay. Riding. Yes. Riding, jumping. These are verbs. So if I say
Backpedaling.
Ibrahim
Jumping
jumped
very
high.
So high is
Ibrahim
a
jumped
verb.
high. Okay. Or Ibrahim.
So ma'am, riding full
Ibrahim did
speed,
a
ma'am.
high.
Riding full speed.
Ma'am, whizzing down. I saw it in
Riding
the
full
passage.
speed. No.
Whizzing down.
Casually riding.
Casually, yes, casually.
I'm walking home alone.
How was he riding? He was riding casually. Okay. Casually word is describing the action of riding. Humaira said quickly. Okay, quickly is an adverb. Very good. Yes, Munim.
Ma'am, walking home alone.
Ma'am, the whirring sound. Whirring
Walking.
sound.
Home alone.
Ma'am,
No.
the whirring sound.
The whirring sound. No, sound is a verb. A word that is describing verbs. There needs to be a verb at the front or the back of the word.
Ma'am, I stopped dead. Ma'am, he stopped is a verb and
Dead. Yes. How did he stop? He stopped dead. Okay. Yes. So quickly and casually. Very good. These are the two adverbs. Okay. How about?
Ma'am, it's 10:50.
It's 50. There I stop. So we stop at our adverbs and they are all dead also.
यार गलती से हो गया वो.
Okay. Well, no problem. All right, we stop here. I'll meet you tomorrow, hopefully. Do not forget
Bye,
to
ma'am.
upload your biographies, okay? I'm going to post the
Ma'am, we were
assignment.
absent, so what should we do?
Ma'am,
You
we
should
haven't
write one
completed
for
it
yourselves
yet,
and
ma'am.
put. Sorry?
For ourselves,
haven't
then we don't
completed
need
it.
any partner, right?
No, like Ibrahim will write it for Yahya. Amina, what are you
Ma'am,
Then
we
saying?
haven't
Yahya will write
completed.
for me.
Yeah. Amina,
We haven't completed it, ma'am.
please complete and put it. That's the reason I'm telling you, okay?
Ma'am, I want to ask
we have
something.
made
I'm not
ma'am.
asking you to immediately do it, okay? Bye,
Ma'am,
everybody.
can I ask something?
Yeah.
Ma'am, Yahya will write
Redo.
for me and I will write for him, right?
Yes.
Amna told me.
Ma'am, how many lines, ma'am? One
You have
page?
to ask Amina again. 3 paragraphs. Bye.
3 paragraphs. Okay, ma'am, bye.